Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch without a phone number. First, determine if your account is exempt from the SMS Protect requirement. Next, understand the specific phone number types Blizzard accepts for new accounts. Finally, explore practical workarounds if you need to verify an account but prefer not to use your main mobile number. If you're an existing player, you might be in luck. Blizzard removed the phone number requirement for many, specifically if you played the original Overwatch with a connected battle. Net account after June 9, 2021, you should be exempt. Simply log in with your existing battle. Net credentials. If you encounter a prompt for a phone number, reach out to Blizzard support. They can often help legacy users bypass this. For new players or those without a linked Overwatch 1 account, a phone number is still mandatory. This SMS Protect system is a key anti-cheat measure, aiming to reduce disruptive behavior. While VoIP numbers are typically not accepted, Blizzard has expanded its policy to include most prepaid phone plans. Ensure your chosen number is from a real mobile carrier for successful verification. If you need a number but prefer not to use your main one, consider a few options. You could ask a trusted friend or family member to receive the initial verification text for you. Another approach is to get a secondary SIM card or a low-cost prepaid number from a mobile provider. Be aware that many free or virtual phone number services are often blocked by Blizzard.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.